I got home and I seen some orange under the hood. And yeah, it was on fire a little bit. Them wires were cooking. Oh yeah, that's nice. They still are. Look at that there. All of them came out, touching together. Thought Ford didn't have Dodge wiring. So I finally got the parts for this F-150, and you know, brand new with the pigtail. Oh wait, stop. Also. Anyways, you ignore that shit. Comes with a bolt even. Anyways, $57 with no core, brand new, 100%. We're gonna see if that works. So we're gonna get this out. The bolt is rusted. It's gonna take a minute, so I'm just gonna shut the camera off for that and then get that out, and then we're gonna end up rewiring that. We'll use these here, and yeah, this here even comes with, see, I already bought a plug, but I didn't know the alternator came with one. And yeah, I don't know if you can see, but that's gonna have to work. That new bolt they give you, that's pretty nice of them. Old Rock Auto. It only took, you know, 2.5 weeks to get here, but shit, it was only 57 bucks and no core. Oh, you don't want to start, because why am I stunned here? It's just an old beater truck. You know, bring things to the dump and whatnot. Why would you want to put a bunch of money into it so it lasts? You just keep repairing it every couple of years or start it on fire. Can't be like that. I gotta be in the way. You guys like struggle. Tell me how I'm doing it wrong and all that stuff, you know. Got the bottom bolt in, now I just tighten up this one here. I already got the belt on. And then we gotta do the rewiring. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do it the right way. You don't want to use solder or nothing so it gets a good connection or anything like that. Why would you do that? You just crimp them and then oh yeah, almost done now. Got the bottom one tight, got the belt on. Oh yeah. We're almost ready to wire. Show you the wrong way to wire. On something you don't really, you know, worry about too much. So, want to get them back to where they're not melted so much. Let's see, where's it? Thanks. All that extra? Nah. Sure someone will have something to say about this. I don't mind though. It's no biggie to me. it's fine. You just use this and you just twist them up real good. Put them in here. You gotta make it fit the hole, you know. Then you want to make sure they're not the right ones. Let me see. I better cut that down a little bit. Don't use solder. Only professionals use that. We're not professionals anymore. We only got that 8th grade, you know, education. Get on there. You should be good now. Use that expensive crimper, you know, from that one guy, tool truck guy. Yeah, that's perfect. Now, which one is what? So you got all that wired in. I'm gonna put some, you know, electrical tape around there just to be sure. It broke that piece down there, so I had to put a bolt on the back side, you know, crying out loud. But good enough for this thing. We'll see if there's any sparkage coming now. Oh, battery's probably dead. I'll have to do some charging on that, but I'll tape that up and then we'll see if it works. Not bad for grade 8, huh? Big easy. Hopefully that camera will stay in place. Well, there's a vacuum line off. I must have bumped it off, but I put it on. It seems to run good now. It's a 302. It's a good engine. Still charging. $57 alternator still working. I figured it'd cut out by now. Charging good. Oh yeah, temperature's off, but it needs antifreeze, so I'll have to go put some of that in there. I forget things once in a while. Anyways, it's charging good. I forgot to put some antifreeze in. It'll be alright. Get on. And yeah, we're looking good. $57 alternator. All to put it in, right or wrong. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. See you on the next one.